store closes in 10 minutes! I need those super snacks for the game. Come on. It's just around the corner. I don't need to buckle up.
Kevin, seatbelt?
Dad, it's literally 2 minutes away. It takes longer to buckle it. Please? I promise I'll sit still. We're gonna be late.
All right, just this once. Sit back.
Poli, look at these traffic statistics.
Most accidents happen within 5 minutes of home? That is surprising.
Yes. People often relax their safety habits on short trips. They think they are safe because they are close to home.
We must remind everyone, safety has no distance limits.
Patrol Sector 4 is clear. No traffic jams today.
Quiet streets. Looks safe.
A cat! It's moving fast!
Potential hazard in Sector 4. Stray animal near the road.
Look, Dad. Timmy is riding his bike. Where's my robot? I dropped it over there.
Look out!
Emergency stop!
My head. It hurts. It hurts.
Kevin, are you okay? I saw the sudden stop. Is everyone okay?
Helly! Kevin got hurt when we stopped! He wasn't wearing his seatbelt! We have a medical situation in Sector 4. Child injured due to sudden braking. Requesting Amber and Poli. Rescue team, mobilize!
Let's go! Safety is our priority!
I'll secure the area. Amber, check on Kevin!
Don't worry, Kevin. I'm here to help. It hurts, Amber. We stopped so fast.
Scanning. Just a bump and a bruise. You were very lucky, Kevin.
This cold pack here. It will make it feel better.
Kevin, do you know why you got hurt?
Because the tabby cat ran out?
Not just the tabby cat. It was because of physics. Specifically, inertia.
When the car moves, your body moves at the same speed. But when the car stops suddenly, inertia keeps your body moving forward. Unless you are wearing a seatbelt. The seatbelt catches you and keeps you safe in your seat.
So the belt stops my inertia?
Exactly. It's like a hug that keeps you safe from sudden stops.
And accidents can happen anywhere, even in your own driveway. Inertia doesn't care how short the trip is.
I don't want to fly forward again. Click, clack. I'm ready now, Poli. Hey now, Poli.
Great job, Kevin. Remember, click-clack, front and back. Thanks for the help, rescue team. We'll be more careful. Good job, son. Drive safely. And watch out for Siamese cats. The seatbelt keeps him safe and secure.
Another successful rescue. Kevin learned a valuable lesson today.
No!
And I'll keep an eye out for that cat. He needs a traffic safety lesson too.
Maybe we need Tina seatbelts for pets?
No! Remember, boys and girls, it doesn't matter if you are going far away or just down the street.
Accidents happen when you least expect them, so always be prepared.
And watch out for surprises on the road.
Make it a habit. Get in, sit down, and...
Click! Clack! No! Robocar Poli Rescue Team, always ready.
Stay safe. Stay safe.
Dad! I got the snacks.
And you got a lesson you'll never forget.
Click clack. Every time.